Need to share your Facebook profile link? Let's learn how to copy it on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to copy your Facebook profile link on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on your current profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you are in your profile page, tap on the three dots icon right beside the Edit Profile option. Here, scroll down and find the Copy Profile Link option. Finally, tap on it to copy your Facebook profile link. And this is how you can copy your Facebook profile link on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.